Welcome back to AyyazTech. In this video, I will show you how you can integrate Notion with your Claude desktop application. After integrating Notion, you will be able to control your workspace from your Claude application. You can create, update, or read or organize your content on Notion very easily. Okay, let's start. So first of all, open the Claude and from the left sidebar, click on the customize button and then click on the connectors. Click on this button, add connector. Browse connectors and search for Notion and then click on that connector and click on the connect button. It will take you to the Notion authorization page, and here you should select the workspace that you want to use your Claude application and hit continue button. You will see this connected success message, and now let's verify if it is connected correctly. So here you can see in my Notion workspace, we have some tasks available. I will go back to the Claude application and make sure to restart your app, because at that time the Notion will not be available. So if you reload it or restart the application, then Notion will be available to use. Now let's ask it that what do you see in my Notion workspace? So it will automatically discover if Notion connector is available or not. So it is using different tools from Notion to answer my questions. Okay, you see that it went through my Notion workspace and brought back all of the data from there. And you see it is saying that we have these databases: projects, tasks, my tasks, meeting, notes, etc. So it can see all content in my Notion project. Now let's quickly test if it can make any change or delete anything on my Notion or make any update. So for that, I'm gonna open both of these applications side by side so that I can show you that changes are being made on real time. So here I will ask it, please add some tasks database. Okay, now it is checking my task database structure, so it can add task with the right fields. So it has found the task database, but it is asking for my permission. Every time you will ask it to make any change in your database, it will ask for your permission. But if you don't want to be interrupted every time you ask it for any change, then you can just click on the always allow button. Then it will never ask for this specific permission again in future. But if you don't trust, then just click on the allow once. Then it will be asking you same permission for every change that it will make. So I'm gonna just click on the always allow button and see what happens. So on the right side, you just notice that a new task was just appeared, and here on the left side you see the task title is review and tidy up the downloads folder, and same task was appeared there as well. So let's open that task and I'm going to test if it can update that task. Please update that task and add detailed description. Okay, now it is asking for another permission to update the Notion page from Notion. So I will again click on this always allow, as this is a different permission, that's why it is asking for permission again. But for the create permission, the permission was already granted, so it will not ask the same permission again. So let's click on it. Okay, you see that the task is updated and there is a detailed description and it is very well formatted. So that's very nice and very convenient. Now let's test one final feature. I will just ask it to delete a specific task. Can you please delete a task with title write FAQ for launch? So let's see if it can delete that task. Its safety feature was activated and it is resisting to delete that item. So it is asking me to do that myself, but let me try to insist and see if it can do that. So I just ask it to just delete it because it is not useful. So deleting is not available, so it cannot delete for us, but it can update, create task, or it can make any changes, like it can change the status or anything like that. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you think that this video was useful, then please like and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you later.